प्यारे बच्चों, द प्रतीक्षा एजुकेशन पॉइंट में आप लोगों का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। आज हम लोग पढ़ेंगे सीबीएसई बोर्ड कक्षा 9th का मैथमेटिक्स, जिसमें पढ़ेंगे हम लोग फैक्टराइजेशन। तो आइए हम लोग देखते हैं फैक्टराइजेशन के बारे में प्यारे बच्चों। तो पहला है एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 11 प्लस 30 इक्वल टू 0 का हमें फैक्टराइजेशन करना है। तो आइए प्यारे बच्चों देखते हैं। पहले हम क्या करते हैं, 30 को डिवाइड करते हैं तो कितना होगा, 6 5 जा 30 होता है। तो यहाँ पर हम क्या करेंगे प्यारे बच्चों कि 11x को 6x प्लस 5x में डिवाइड कर देंगे। तो एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 5 प्लस 6 ब्रैकेट एक्स प्लस 30 इक्वल टू 0 हो जाएगा। तो यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं, यू कैन सी x multiply by 5 and x multiply by 6, then x square plus 5x plus 6x plus 30 is equal to 0. Now we take the common first group, x common, x plus 5. Now take common 6 bracket x plus 5 is equal to 0. Now the fraction will be x plus 5, next bracket x plus 6 is equal to 0. So the factorization of the x square plus 11x plus 30 equal to x plus 5, one bracket, second bracket x plus 6 is equal to 0. Now we see the next question. Ex 2 x square plus 11x plus 18x plus 32. 18x plus 32 is equal to 0. First we factorization of the 32. 2 1 जा 2, 2 6 जा. So now we see x square plus 2x plus 16x plus 32 is equal to 0. We take the common x. So x plus 2. Now take the common 16. X plus 2 is equal to 0. The first common will be x plus 2 and second bracket x plus 16 is equal to 0. The factorization of the x square plus 18x plus 32 will be factorize x plus 2, one bracket and second bracket equal to x plus 16. Now we see the next question. Ex3 x square plus 7x minus 18 is equal to 0. 18 factorized, 2 9 ja 18. So now we see x square plus 9x minus 2x minus 18 is equal to 0. We can take two group, x square plus 9x first group and minus 2x plus 18 of the second group. We take the common x, so x plus 9. Now take common minus 2, x plus 9 is equal to 0. So first group x plus 9 and x minus 2 is in the second group. Now we can see the factorization of x square plus 7x minus 18 is equal to, we factorize the 18, so 2 9 18, there will be 2 factor 9x minus 2x, 9x minus 2x is equal to 7x, so that x square plus 9x minus 2x minus 18 is equal to 0. We take the first common of the first group, x will be common, then x plus 9 in the first bracket. Now take the minus 2 common, minus 2 bracket x plus 9. So 2 minus 2x divided by minus 2 and minus 18 divided by minus 2. Then the second bracket x plus 9, so that x plus 9 and x minus 2 is the factorization of the given x square plus 7x minus 18. Now we see the question number 4, ex4. Y square minus 4y plus 3 is equal to 0. तो 3 1 जा 3, 3 into 1, 3 1 जा 3 और minus 3 minus 1 is equal to y. तो y square minus 3y minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. We can take the common y in first group, the y minus 3. Now take minus 1 common, y minus 3 is equal to 0. So we can see y minus 3 and y minus 1 is equal to 0. So that the factorization will be y square minus 4y plus 3 is equal to 0. We divide minus 4y into minus 3y minus y. We take the common y in y square minus 3y, y common, bracket y minus 3. Now take common minus 1 in minus y plus 3y, then minus 1 equal to in bracket y minus 3. So y minus 3 in first bracket and second bracket in y minus 1. So that will be the factorization of the y square minus 4y plus 3. Now we see the question number 5. X square minus 11x 80 is equal to 0. So we factorize the 80. 2, 4 ja 2, 20, 2, 10, 2, 5. So now see x square minus 16x plus 5x minus 80 is equal to 0. We take the common x in first bracket x minus 16. Now take common 5. So y minus 16 is equal to 0. So that x minus 16, next bracket x plus 5 is equal to 0. So that the factorization of the x square minus 11x minus 80 is equal to 0. We take x square minus 16x plus 5x minus 80 is equal to 0. We take the common x in the first group, the x bracket x minus 16. Now take common 5 in 5x minus 80. Take common 5. Then next bracket x minus 16. So now my answer will be x minus 16 and next bracket x plus 5 is equal to 0. So you can see the factorization is the too much easy. We can solve this factorization with help of the factor of the last C. तो धन्यवाद प्यारे बच्चों, ये वीडियो आप लोगों को कैसा लगा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। धन्यवाद, थैंक यू सो मच नाइस।